Well, this image just set up perfect when we got the Black Point Predator sitting here posing right in front of the Predator logo on this boat. Welcome back to the greatest show on earth, guys. That is the Miami Boat Ramps channel. I am your host, Broncos Guru, in collaboration with Wavy Boats, and it's another Wavy Guru production back down here at Black Point Marina. The old Black Point crocodile's been hanging around the boat ramps all day today. I'm assuming he's looking for a handout. I'm assuming he's just waiting to see if somebody's gonna feed him or something like that. But so hopefully nobody falls in the water today, because things can get ugly pretty quick. What in the world do we have here? This has got to be over capacity, guys. I mean, like, the little old school two-door Ford Explorers, I can't imagine they had a tow rating any higher than 4,000 pounds. I mean, I could be wrong. I don't have the numbers in front of me, but this thing, I mean, it's leaning on its back end pretty hard. I'm definitely guessing this is over tow capacity. This is probably not a safe idea. Oh, please, for the love of anything, please come down to the ramp and try and launch this boat with this. Oh, it looks like they're leaving, though. Oh, man, we're going to miss out on that one. This is never a fun way to end your day on the water. These guys had to get towed in, and they are obviously having engine troubles of some kind, and they're even struggling to get this thing back on the dock. They really didn't get themselves tied up or set up real well, and they're drifting. I mean, heck, this guy's going to have to watch out and make sure they don't drift into the sailboat behind them. One of the things that's kind of strange here a little bit, this is a dual motor boat. It's not often that we see both motors out, so they must have either water in the fuel or they're having some type of electrical issue. But these guys are struggling. This girl's like looking at them like, yeah, you guys stay over there. Stay over there. Oh man, this is a tough one. I guess, well, my man's doing the tightrope walk. See how he holds on here. I mean, he's going to try and pull this back in. You're not going to have much of a grip or any way to really balance beyond the rope. Hopefully they can get this saved. Yeah, he looks like he's going to be all right, man. So I was watching there for a minute because I was curious. I mean, one little pull or somebody did something wrong there, he could have easily fallen in on this one. But it looks like he's going to be good. Now, this one's always nice when you got plenty of help, and got some stuff going on here we don't see a lot of the boat ramp for some reason. It appears that we've got stern lines and bow lines already set up, and I don't know, a lot of the video clips you'll watch, we'll see that just doesn't seem to happen for some reason. Whether these people pull up to the dock, or it happens as soon as somebody grabs the pole and they're already standing over at the dock. But these guys look prepared. We might actually see somebody come in here with a very successful dock. Let's see how this goes. You guys looking okay. A little wind and current action giving the boat a little bit of trouble, but he looks like he's got it figured out. He's going to get this bow back into the dock, and these guys are going to be good. Oh, we got the leap. Got the bow line off. Looks like he's struggling a little bit, though. The current's trying to push this boat back into the dock, which is not helping them get this off. So here comes his buddy. Oh, look at this. The one kid tried to grab the rope from him. This guy's like, dude, you can't even handle your line. You're not touching mine. That was awesome. Yeah, he's like, yeah, get the bow in, buddy. You want to grab my line. Figure yours out first. These guys couldn't even wait to get out to the grounds to go fishing. They're just going to fish right here at Black Point, I guess. I mean, it doesn't seem like a really good spot to fish. Plenty of boat traffic, and if there's fish around, I'm sure the crocodiles probably already got them. But I don't know. Let's see if these guys can catch anything. I mean, you know, these guys look like they know what they're doing. The only thing they're missing is, like, the fishing team logo on the side of the boat. But other than that, you know, I mean, let's see, my man right here. We're gonna figure out his skill level real quick. We're gonna watch him do this cast, and we'll gauge his skill level on that. And yeah, that's a pro level cast. Yeah, they're definitely part of a fishing team. The Black Point Marina fishing team. I somehow got a feeling these guys aren't going to catch anything, but that's just my hunch. You never know. So this captain's been sitting here in between these two docks for about a minute and a half now. He was originally approaching the dock that's on the right, but realized real quick that the current and the wind and waves are kind of slightly pulling the other way, and he was hoping he was going to drift back into this dock, and as soon as he did that, all of a sudden the wind kind of stopped blowing. He just kind of got stuck in the middle for a little bit. Oh, there we go. We got a leap. Double leaper. I mean, that was actually some pretty good distance right there, guys. Looks like Cap got some really nice assistance there from his crew. These guys are coming in as... this one, it looks like Grandma's going to come up here and take the lead. She's going to be the one going for the pole grab. I'm hoping she's not going to be the one that jumps off of this boat, but maybe she will. I mean, more power to her. Mima to the rescue. Oh, no, no. Oh, oh, that was close. Junior pulled it off. He saved Grandma from having to jump from the boat, but almost face planted in doing that. That was a lucky one right there. So we're going to give you guys basically the 30,000 foot version of what's going on right here. This truck has been at the boat ramp now for approximately 18 minutes. He is stuck. For whatever reason, he cannot get this truck off the ramp. All that happens when they hit the gas is those rear tires just spin. This was even with an empty trailer. So what's happened now is we figured out that we can't get the truck off with the empty trailer. They have now reloaded this boat, as you can tell right there, where we just sprayed the officer with the tires, and they're going to use this boat to assist in getting this truck off the ramp. So I've heard stories of this happening. This is my first experience. If you've never seen this happen before either, guys, then let's enjoy it together. But they're going to see if they can use this boat's power to help push this truck up the ramp. Let's see how this one goes. So we got the truck spinning tires, power up on the boat, and we didn't get anywhere there. We're going to have to give this boat a little more throttle. There we go. There we go. Very nice, gentlemen. After 18 minutes of doing this, they have successfully gotten this truck out, but they just launched this boat to try and start their day of boating and have had to pull it back out basically just to get the truck out of the water. So I don't know if we're going boating today or not, guys. Normally we wouldn't even follow these kind of guys with the camera because these older gentlemen who come in here basically by themselves, well, we already know that they're probably pros by now, and there's no reason for us typically to watch them with the camera, but it's a little slow here, so we figured we'd see if we could catch anything going on with him, but typically, as we thought, you know, he came in pretty flawlessly with no issues whatsoever. But, what is this guy doing? No. Bicycle guy's photobombing. He saw that we were over here filming, and he saw we're filming this guy, so now he's just basically stopped to get his 5 seconds of fame. So that's hilarious. He just literally photobombed it. I got a feeling we're about to see a pro docking job here. Kind of like I mentioned when another boat came in earlier, we've got stern lines and bow lines being drawn out already, and for whatever reason, that doesn't seem to happen down at the docks down here. I know it happens on my boat. Let me know in the comments if it happens on your boat too. I mean, everybody on my boat typically has a job, so they know what they're supposed to do. Now, as a captain, I do sometimes have to remind them that, hey guys, you know, we're going to be at the dock in 3 minutes. I need you to, you know, go ahead and get some fenders out and go ahead and grab the bow and the stern lines and, you know, get everything ready to go. But my man's crew looks like he's got it down. I mean, he's got his girls, they're working. They seem to know what they're doing. I got a feeling, once again, this one will be probably rather uneventful because you can tell when these crews got it together. If they've got it together, there's usually not going to be any issues whatsoever. I mean, she's not even showing fear. She's just going to go for the lead. Yep. Just as I thought. Pros at the dock, baby. Pros at the dock. Thanks for watching, guys. We hope you enjoyed this episode of Miami Boat Ramps, and thank you to Big Mike, who is down here at Point Marina holding the sticks for us today as well. If you guys enjoyed this content, be sure to check out our other channels. We do have Wavy Boats, who does a lot of great things down at Haulover Inlet. My channel, Broncos Guru, who do some great comedy boating videos over there as well. And of course, we also have Boats vs. Haulover, where Man and Machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet down here in Miami as well. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great one.